Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to write all YouTube comments in bold, italic or strike through. If you want to make comments on YouTube in bold, italics and strike through, so you just need to follow these steps. Just open your YouTube app and here go to the YouTube video which you want to add comment. As I'm going to choose this one, so just tap on it and here go to comment section and here just tap on add comment. Here's that. And now let's leave a comment in bold. If you want to write something in bold, so just enter star and then enter the word. As I'm going to enter awesome, so just enter it and then add star again. And now tap on send. And here you can see I have successfully leave a bold comment in this video. So now let's change it into italic. Tap on edit and here just clear it first. Now if you want to write it in italics, so you just need to enter first underscore and then enter word. And now enter underscore again and now send it. And here you can see the command has been written in awesome in italic. And now just change it into strike through. So just edit it again and here clear it first. And now first you just have to add the negative sign, just enter it and then write the word. As I'm going to enter this one, so enter it and now enter the negative sign again and then tap on send. And here you can see I have successfully changed it into strike through. So that's how you can write all YouTube comment in bold, italic and strike through. This is an easy way. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.